Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we'll be making tomato and mozzarella with penne. So we've got our boiling water on here and we're going to drop our penne pasta in. There's a little bit of oil and a little bit of salt in, as we do with all of our pasta, just to make everything taste good. And what we love about this one is the fact that after we drain our pasta off, our tomatoes and our garlic and our chives get sauteed in this very pasta pot with a little bit of oil, and then you add your pasta back in, so you've created your sauce in the same pot. It's a one-pot meal. It's fantastic for weeknights. You know, like I said, anytime that we can do something with a one-pot dish, it makes your cleanup and prep and everything that much easier. So we love to do those. So let's get these penne pasta cooking. Just a few minutes on that until they become al dente, or a little bit longer if you want them a little bit more tender. All right, so our pasta is cooked. We're going to drain it. All right, into this same pan, I'm going to add a little touch of oil. And we'll begin by sauteing our garlic. All right, now once your garlic has been in there for just a couple of minutes, add your tomatoes in. Then you can kind of smash your tomatoes down with your spoon. Just using the side of the pan to kind of smash these up. Okay, so now that our tomatoes are softening up, and turn the heat down to low. We're going to return our pasta. Stir everything in here to incorporate it. You can kill the heat. The leftover heat in the pan will do the rest. We've got our mozzarella. We're adding in here. Our chives will go in at the last minute. You can see the penne has already kind of soaked up all of this nice garlic and tomato. Mozzarella is melting from the heat left in the pan. All right, we're going to add in our chives. Stir that together, and that's all there is to it. We've got everything in. Our cheese is melting. The pasta's soaking up all of the tomato and garlic, and that's really all there is to it. So we've killed the heat. We're going to plate this up and show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.